Welcome to Crazy Fun Tubers. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to receive instant notifications. Do like our video, share our video and follow us on Facebook as well. We are in Pileh Lagoon and we'll get into water very shortly. Pileh Lagoon is a very small lagoon close to the popular Maya Bay, which is also known as Phi Phi Lagoon or Phi Phi Lake. In fact, Pileh Lagoon is separated from Maya Bay by limestone cliffs. This is the place which is known for diving activities as well. It is usually part of the boat tours or island hopping. Like mentioned earlier, Pileh Lagoon is very close to Maya Bay, which used to be crowded and very few people used to visit Pileh earlier. Nowadays, Pileh is attracting tourists from all over the world and the place has started becoming crowded as Maya Bay is closed temporarily. The view at the Pileh Lagoon is really incredible. The turquoise watercolor with its limestone wall cliffs surrounding them are breathtaking. The turquoise water and white sand makes it even more attractive. The lagoon will be in shade most of the time, and if you want to click some nice pictures with the sunlight, then the best time might be around 11 AM to 12 AM. You can reach Pileh Lagoon from multiple places. You can reach here from Krabi, you can reach here from Phuket, you can reach here from Phi Phi Islands. So this is one of the most attractive places which is close to Phi Phi. You'll spot a lot of fishes when you're in water, which doesn't harm. Look at how the adorable kids enjoying the water. When you're visiting Thailand, please make sure you do visit Pileh Lagoon and you opt for island hopping. This is one of the most attracted places in Thailand. Now it's time for us to enjoy the water and have some fun. We'll catch you guys in some time. From Pileh Lagoon, we'll be visiting Maya Bay. We are in Maya Bay now, but we are not able to get into water. Maya Bay is one of the iconic spots in Thailand, which is famous for its corals and white soft sand, and also it is surrounded by the limestone cliffs on three sides. Maya Bay started gaining popularity after the movie The Beach, which was shot here, starring Leonardo DiCaprio in the year 1999-2000. There's a national park entry fee of 400 baht if you enter the bay on your own. If you opt for a boat tour, then it would be covered along with the tour. There is no food facilities available here, and in case if you're planning to camp, then you must bring your own. The beach is shut for an indefinite period as the ecology is getting damaged due to the huge number of tourists visiting Maya Bay, as the corals are almost damaged as it's overexposed to the tourism. The concerned authorities have decided to shut down the beach. The beach was initially closed for 4 months, post which it got extended as the spot needs much more time to heal and get back to normal. As Maya Bay is part of the national park, the beach would remain closed until 2021, until the marine life returned to normal conditions. From Maya Bay, we would be traveling to Phi Phi Islands. We'll have our lunch in Phi Phi Islands, post which there'll be snorkeling activities. Phi Phi Island is one of the most beautiful and exotic islands of Thailand. This is famous for fine white sand and turquoise water. It is also famous for snorkeling and water activities. If you like to enjoy nature, then this should be in your bucket list. The stay is expensive as the dorm costs you around 1000 bahts per night. Buffet was served in Phi Phi Cliff Beach Resort. The buffet was really amazing. Thank you for watching the video. Please like our videos, hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon to receive instant notifications, share our video, follow us on Facebook, check our blog www.guidemyholidays.com. See you in the next video. Bye bye.